Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your name in the Uber app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm looking at the bottom of my screen where I can see the navigation bar. From there, I'm tapping on account. This takes me to my account settings where I can manage all my personal information and preferences within the app. Once the account page loads, I'm directing my attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Right there, I can see my profile icon, so I'm tapping on it. This opens up more detailed options related to my personal account settings. Now that I'm in this section, I'm looking for the option labeled Personal Info and tapping on it. This is where all my basic details like my name, phone number, and email are stored. It's the central hub for managing how my profile appears to drivers and in my ride history. From here, I'm scrolling through the personal info section until I find the name field. Once I locate it, I'm tapping on name to open the editing screen. This is the specific area where I can update how my first and last name appear in my Uber account. At this point, the app displays two text fields for me. I'm tapping into the first name field and typing in my new first name. After that, I'm moving down to the last name field and entering my new last name. It's important to double check the spelling here because this is the name that drivers will see when they accept my ride requests. Once I've entered both names correctly, I'm looking for the update button, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. I'm tapping on update to save my changes. The app will process this information and apply the new name to my account immediately. And that's it. I've successfully changed my name in the Uber app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.